Here I have an Hotend cover for my Ender 3 Pro. There are a lot of things made wrong, and one of them is holes. This body will be bolted to the carriage, and the Hotend cover will be attached to it. But I made this holes on cover manually, without proper referencing. So if I make changes to any of this hole, I have to go another body and find related hole and make changes to it. Let's fix it with proper tools. To be able to reference to this sketch from another body, I'm going to use Sub-Object Shape Binder. First, in Part Design mode, hold Ctrl key and use left mouse button to select targets. In my case, first outer circle. Now I need to repeat it for all holes and make separate binders. If they appeared outside of required body, select binders and move under target body. Now to the cover, first I need to create external geometry from holes for magnet. I'm going to use external geometry from Tools panel or from Sketcher menu under Sketcher Tools. Click on each binder and I have objects for referencing. I need to remove existing constraints and replace them. First, I'm going to select both circles and add distance constraint between them. As you can see, main circle still white. What mean that not enough information about placing and spacing. To finish positioning, I need add constraint coincident. This tool allows to maintain fixed distance between two circles. Same for other holes. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.